Hello viewers, welcome to Maths with Excel. In this lesson, I'm going to be talking about basic arithmetic, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers. We have 4 examples. Example 1 is addition, example 2 subtraction, example 3 multiplication, example 4 division. Okay, so that is what we want to teach and learn in this lesson. So let's take the display, how to go about this. All right, okay, so we have the operators we want to look at: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so we are to create another column. Before the numbers, we list them out as first number and second number. For addition, this is the first number, second number. For subtraction, first number, second number. For multiplication, first number, second number. For division, first number, second number. So this column result where you want the result to be after adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing. Okay, now this cell, the address is n and 2. That is the column first. You have the column head is n and the row is 2. So this cell address is n2, This is what I'm referring to here. This is cell address from the column n and the row 2 Okay, so let's proceed. The result for addition will be here. Now anytime you are carrying out any operation as a calculation in Excel, you always start with equal to. So Excel understand that an operation will take place. The first number for addition, the cell address, look at the cell address here, share that place, the cell address is L2. See that now, once I click that cell, the address L2 shows. You can type it or do it this way, then followed by plus. That is addition. I will click the cell address or the cell for the second number. So you can see there M2. So we are doing L2 plus M2. That is first and second number. Once you click enter from your keyboard, you see the result. See that? So if you add 4152 to 265, you have 4417. The next operation is subtraction. You start by entry equality sign. That tells Excel that you want to carry out calculation. So you click the cell where the first number is 820, that is L3, followed by minus, then the other cell, that is M3. Once you enter, if you click enter from the keyboard, you have the result 198. The next operation is multiplication. You start with equal to. You click the cell where the first number is and the cell address will show, that is L4. In the keyboard you have star as multiplication, then you click the other cell where the second number is and the address will show, that is M4. Once you click enter, you get the result. Are you seeing that? The last operation is division. Where you want the result or the answer to be, you insert equality sign in that place. That tells Excel that look, I want to carry out an operation. So if you click the cell where the first number is, you get the cell address L5. You can use slash for division from the keyboard. You click the cell where the second number is, that will the cell address will show. So you have L5 divided by M5. Once you click enter from your keyboard, you have the result. So this is how we add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers in Excel. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. Okay, so that is the result. Finally, okay, PETAKUS Simplified Maths. If you are viewing from YouTube, subscribe, like, share PSM video to your friends, your colleagues, your students. If you are viewing from Facebook, follow and like the page. Also share PSM videos. Goodbye.